Hi everybody, and welcome to the Teri's Crafty Christmas Drawing for Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. Now, the only thing I want to say is thank you to everybody. Well, it's not the only thing, but it's the first thing I want to say is thank you to everybody for participating. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for making this such a great year at Sweet Pea Papers. Now, one of the prizes that I'm going to draw for in just a second is a physical prize, and the winner of that physical prize must live in the United States. So if you win the prize and you don't live in the U.S., still let me know, and we can try to work something out for you so that you don't go away empty-handed, okay? So just remember that. But you do need to be in the United States to win the physical prize. Should I say that one more time? No, I just can't afford the shipping, overseas. I apologize. Make sure to watch the drawing videos in the other groups, because the other Facebook groups, because you might win in those as well. There are physical prizes in those groups as well, and they're different than the physical prize in this group. So each group has a different quote-unquote first place prize, and so you want to make sure to check them all out so that you can see if you've won in multiple drawings. Okay, so now this is the one for Sweet Pea Papers, and we had 131 entries in the drawing. So I set this at 131, and then we're going to draw for one junk journal kit from LineDotArrow, number 84. Now you may see, oh, Michelle, you may see some X's in the list, and that's just where I made a mistake, and I didn't want to move everybody and lose the number that they were originally entered at by sliding the names up and down to fill in the blanks. Okay, so number 2 is for or the next drawing is for 2 junk journal kits by LineDotArrow, and that's number 38, and that's Wendy. So she won 2 kits, because we're not really doing first, second, third, whatever, because we've got the physical prizes. So I'm not putting first, second, third in there. And then the next one is for 3 junk journal kits from LineDotArrow. So far it is similar, or it is the same as the other drawings. 85. And that's Dorothy Kelty. Pretty close to the one before, huh? Okay, and now this drawing is for the physical prize, and the physical prize is a junk journal grab bag where I take things from my grab bag box, and I put together a bag of items that you would use or maybe don't have or would run out of quickly when you're making your junk journals. Okay, so the winner of that prize is number 53. We stayed right in the middle, didn't we? Whoops. See, there's a blank right there, and that's Renee Stockwell. And I think she is here in the United States, if I remember here correctly. Okay, so thank you for being in the drawing for Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. I'm trying to keep these videos as short as I can, since there's 3 of them, and you guys are going to have to watch 5 of them, I think. Just remember that you have to contact me to claim your prize, and there will not be a list published anywhere. So if you didn't watch this, even though you're watching it now, obviously, but if you're a winner and you didn't watch the video, then you didn't know that you won. And so make sure to watch the other video drawings and see if you've won the One and Two Sister Jam, LineDotArrow, and LineDotArrow Junk Journal Group, and junk journal tutorials and more, and junk journal and paper crafts. Okay, all right, well, that's it. Have a happy new year, and I will talk to you soon in the next drawing. Okay, bye bye.